Hello, my name is Joshua Gray and I am a fish health inspector working within the Fish Health Inspectorate based down at Cefas, Weymouth. Today I'd like to talk to you about a project that I was involved with out in Ghana, specifically within Lake Volta, and that was carrying out samples on suspicion of an outbreak of infectious spleen and kidney necrosis virus. Typically, I don't work abroad. I am based, like I said, down at Weymouth, and the Fish Health Inspectorate cover England and Wales with my day-to-day job carrying out routine disease surveillance and authorisation compliance inspection visits at a wide range of aquaculture production businesses. Firstly, I'd like to provide you with some background on Lake Volta. As previously mentioned, it is solely contained within the country of Ghana and is in fact the largest man-made lake in the world, with a surface area of over 3,200 square miles, or in layman's terms, bigger than the counties of Wiltshire and Dorset combined. It is an exceptionally valuable resource and is particularly vital in terms of Ghana's aquaculture output, as it is home to over 90% of the country's aquaculture, with the vast majority of that being the production of Nile tilapia. Nile tilapia is exceptionally important to the people of Ghana and is recognised as the most important and valuable source of animal protein within the country. So this trip to Lake Volta was a follow-up investigation after some initial work by Cefas scientists and others discovered that infectious spleen and kidney necrosis virus had been the cause of mass mortalities observed at multiple floating cage sites around Lake Volta. The Fhi involvement within this project was actually threefold. Firstly and primarily, my role was to coordinate sample collection on suspicion of ISKNV from a further 5 previously untested fish farms within the lake. This meant packing up all the relevant material in our lab in Weymouth, correctly shipping that out to Ghana, coordinating where and when we were going to conduct the samples with the Ghanaian authorities, and then actually collecting the sample material for a wide range of lab functions, and then correctly packing and shipping this sample material back to the Ghanaian authority labs back in Accra. Secondly, I was there to provide training to the Ghanaian authorities, and the aim was to get them to a level whereby after we left they felt confident in attending previously untested fish farms and sampling them on suspicion of ISKNV, so that they could diagnose the disease without our input post-visit. Furthermore, once we were back in the labs in Accra, I provided assistance to both Richard Paley and David Werner Jeffries on the analysis of the collected sample material and helped to properly pack some further material that was being sent back for analysis at Weymouth. Finally, I provided some training to the Ghanaian authorities on aquaculture regulation within England and Wales. I took my iPad, which has the FHI app, and demonstrated how we collect information and what information is required to be recorded by fish farms within England and Wales, and showed them examples of authorisation certificates which details all the authorisation conditions of being an authorised aquaculture production business within England and Wales. Well, thank you very much for listening to my presentation on the infectious spleen and kidney necrosis virus investigation at Lake Volta, Ghana. Please don't hesitate to email me if you have any further questions or queries. Thank you.